row by row, into my contraband room. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This row and this row only. Follow it off. Next row, go. Hurry up, walk fast enough. Go, get in, let's go. Hurry up, let's go, get in. Get in. Go, 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 go. Let's go, hurry up.
Yes, sir. You will not pick it up. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do not keep any of the following items. If in doubt about any items, check with the drill instructor. Guns will not be tolerated. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. The direction that you are going to travel while marching. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, you're going to get 40 inches back.
Yes, sir.
Forward.
Your drill instructor is the most visible example of what it means to be a Marine. These troops are trusting my care.
These troops are trusting my care! I'll train to the best of my abilities! I'll try to make sure! Smart discipline! Physically fit!
Basic trained Marines.
Basically trained Marines! Right now, you will treat me and all other Marines with the highest level of respect, for we have learned our places as Marines, and we said nothing less than that! Fuck you!
Gentlemen, my name is Nathan Taylor. I'm from Brooklyn, New York as well. Original invoice is 6046.
I just wonder what the psychology behind the screaming is.
For me, man, it's starting setting the pace, setting the tempo.
You're going to go past this phone, past both of those gates. You're going to go ahead and zigzag again. Gentlemen, ready, begin.
No, Dave.
You ready? Yep. Here we go. You got it. You got it. All right. One. Rest a second. Get back to 2. We got a minute. 3. 4. Yeah. You good.
Begin. Go, hold. Go, high crawl, high crawl. High crawl, high crawl, high crawl. Set a cone, and we're going to zigzag. Follow me, zigzag. Follow me, zigzag. Follow me, zigzag. Zigzag, zigzag. Push the orange cone. Zigzag back, zigzag back. The gate all the way straight.
Good afternoon, guys.
And I spent my time there, and the rest is history.
When it comes to school, I looked up a little more and everything, and recruiters. So, yeah, I was.
Relax, relax. Your knees. Drop.